Got this Superclean product here. They wanted to sponsor me for a video and let me try out some of their stuff. So I'm going to be doing my honest review on this stuff here. And what I've got set up, this is just one of the products, Superclean Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser. And I got greasy floor at work here. I'm going to be trying this Superclean here versus, I don't know what brand this is, just some random degreaser. That's what we normally use. And I'm going to compare it to this and see what does better. So for this, you spray it on. So we're going to spray it on here. Now this side here is Superclean, and that's their other degreaser. I'm gonna spray both of them off, squeegee them down, and then wipe them off. So the left side's with the Superclean, and you can tell it's still not perfect. The floor is really greasy, so I mean you're never gonna get all that off. But here's the other side. You can definitely tell it's a little bit darker in color. For comparison, and this is about how dark they were before, so you can tell it definitely does work. This one's a Superclean Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser in the aerosol can. Now we're gonna give it a little scrubby. Wheel cleaner. Now while Zach's getting all that, I'm going to take this Superclean foaming here. I'm going to spray it on the sprocket. You can see all this grime on there. We're going to see how that does. It's really grimy, so we want to make sure we get it good. Let it dissolve on there for a minute. So now we're going to use this stuff on here.
Takes it right off.
You think so?
Yep. Works even on hands. New dish soap.
just a little recap on the Superclean products. I used all of them, as you guys seen, other than the floor dry. I did try that off camera and it works good. I actually, maybe be a little hard to tell here on dump some. It's a little finer than your normal floor dry, so it actually does kind of soak up a little better. It doesn't just kind of, it's not like the bigger chunks, so it actually does work a little better. So yeah, this stuff works really good, and I'll put the link in the description for Superclean. You guys can check it out. You can get it at a lot of stores around you. So yeah, thanks for watching this video, and more videos coming soon.
Pick it up, groove. Baby girl, watch how you move. I got them vests on my shoes. I pop up, put it, I lose.